The TosMux is a little box with two Toslink receivers on one side and two Toslink transmitters on the opposite side. It also has a DC power input socket at one end. Toslink, as you know, is short for Toshiba Link and is the industry standard connector for consumer optical digital audio. The TosMux is an active electronic device which regenerates the inputs and feeds them to the outputs. Thus, there is no optical loss, unlike optomechanical Toslink switches. To use the TosMux, plug in a 9V DC regulated plug pack, one or two Toslink input cables and two Toslink output cables. First, I'll demonstrate switching mode. Switch on the power, and the LEDs display which input is connected to which output. As you can see, initially input 1 goes to output B and input 2 goes to output A. To switch the inputs, simply touch the TosMux logo, and now you can see input 1 goes to output A and input 2 goes to output B. Every time you touch the logo, the inputs/outputs switch to the opposite configuration. This TosMux has been configured for splitting mode. We power it on and can immediately see that input 2 is channeled to both outputs A and B. When we touch the TosMux logo, the input switches to 1, which is now channeled to both outputs. Every time you touch the logo, the two outputs toggle to the other input.